Welcome to No Winning. If you've been following the channel, we've been working on this old blue here, but for whatever reason, or not for whatever reason, we actually broke something, so we're kind of stuck working on this car. So we had originally bought a bunch of these car parts ready to go to install in the car, then that little bell housing thing broke, so we haven't pulled the engine yet, but I wanted to show you what we had lined up prior to this engine, bell housing, whatever broken stuff. So we've been planning to do this for a while. I had ordered all the parts, and now I'm kind of stuck with having to pull the engine, and this has nothing to do with the engine, so that's what you call no winning. So let me show you what we have. This is our favorite thing to do, our unboxing. So should I start with the small box? I'll show you this box because this is the way FedEx delivered it to me, by the way. It was all squashed and stuff, so now I know why smeedia hates, or doesn't hate, but like talks smack about like FedEx and stuff. But they left, by the way, they left it like this. They didn't even leave it on the door. They left it like 15 steps from the door. It was like out in the sun and stuff. I caught them on camera. So this is the first box of our mini boxes that we're gonna unbox today. So bubble wrap. So it's kind of heavy. Some rotors, DBA 4000 slotted, only slotted. So I've been pretty excited about putting these on. I think the rotors that are on there, they're still original. Probably like 17 years old, so we got 2 rotors. What do you think?
Yeah, I like them.
So I can't wait to put them on. We might still put them on even though the car is not running, so when it gets to running we can actually just be able to stop whenever we get going, because it was stopping, but it didn't feel comfortable when he would stop. You would press the brake and the kid just kept on going and the car didn't slow down as fast. So all right, so that's one. These are for the, let's see. These are for the front and front slotted. All right, let's get to the next box. Again, look at the way FedEx dropped it off for us. Nice and squashed. Luckily, they're made out of, I don't know, some sort of metal or something, so I'm sure they're okay on the inside. Okay. And as you can tell, here's another set of
a bubble wrap.
More rotors. So it's actually pretty cool. I don't
Oh, those are the rear?
Yeah, these are part of the rear. I've actually been wanting to do this for a while now. I wanted to do it on the Silver STI, but never had the chance or the time.
Yeah, you gotta drive that one.
Yeah, that one's our daily. So here we go. Slotted. Hopefully they send me the right ones, because it'd be an ultimate pain in the ass to send these back. with our record right now, I wouldn't doubt. But I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. So there's 2 boxes down, brake rotors. Kind of excited. Yeah, this one. Maybe we can open one of these up. We'll open up this one since it came in a beautiful box here. Kind of destroyed.
Ooh, dang.
Well, you can see it through there. Let's see. What do you think?
Yeah,
I'm not gonna open it because we're not gonna put them on the car, so it's gonna be sitting in a box for a while, maybe a couple weeks or so. So you have to stay tuned. If you're watching No Winning, you've been keeping up. Maybe in like a month, you'll probably see this. Maybe, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how timing goes. Holidays are coming up, so it's gonna get a little harder to do this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for those of you watching that know what I mean. Yeah. All right, so there's our rotors. I tried to order everything we needed so that we wouldn't struggle, so that we would actually take a win instead of a loss. But we started with a loss, so there's no coming back from that. So let me just let me get the rest of these boxes going. Some of these I ordered from, I think I ordered these from like IAG's website because they had them available and they ship really quickly. Some of these other boxes I ordered them from Rally Sport Direct. And yeah, so some of the stuff has actually been sitting here for a while, but just haven't had the time to put it on. So the next one is
another box.
a box of a box. Master cylinder brace.
Hey.
Since we did one on the Forester, got me thinking maybe I should do one for the STI.
What's that? It's gone. It's kind of windy.
Sure. Another Grimmspeed sticker. Okay, let me get this one box out of the way. Okay. And there's all the stuff for it. I'm just gonna leave it in there because.
Okay. What is it?
Oh yeah, the brace ring. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it all in there because we have like 4 more boxes to go through. So yeah, can't wait to do it. We're not even gonna be able to test it once we get the car, when we get it in the car, because we're freaking stuck. And we're probably gonna be like one of the first people to do the bell housing replacement on an STI on YouTube, where we have zero clue of what we're doing. So should be exciting. Okay, so the next one is Hawk Performance.
Hey.
Ceramic. These are probably the fronts because they feel a little heavy. So we put these on the silver STI, and I think we put them on like 5 years ago or 4 years ago, and they're still running very, very well. So highly recommend these because the brake disc actually just comes off the wheel. Like you just rinse it off and it comes off. It's not like glued onto the car. So that's it for this box. On to the next. Hopefully they didn't forget any of my stuff because I'm gonna be super pissed.
Yeah, make sure you got everything.
That's the bad part about with this. Like I try to like plan it so I can show you like as I'm doing it, like, you know, opening it together. But I'm waiting, so I'm having these boxes sitting. Like the intake. If you saw the intake video, yeah, I ordered that a year ago. Okay, that's why I had to buy
parts.
That's why I had to buy the map hose. So let's see what's on this one. Ready this whole box for that one brake?
Okay, they should have sent them both in the same.
They should have put both of them in here. All right, these are definitely the rear. So the same thing, ceramic. It's probably the only thing I'm ever gonna put on these cars. I'm just really happy with the Hawk in general performance. Yeah, so I think this one is nothing related to this, but like I said, this is what we're kind of planning for the channel and what we had lined up for future videos. I was trying to get ahead and not get behind. Now I had to get ahead to get behind again, so take 1 step forward and take 4 steps back here in this channel. So this one is, there we go. This was the motor for the radiator fan that was not giving its full power, the one that was on this side, on the passenger side. So, because the car was still overheating, even though we put the radiator, it wasn't overly overheating, but it wasn't getting to the temperatures I felt comfortable enough. So I'm sure this was a problem. This was like $140 as opposed to replacing the whole, like the blades on the fan still work, the housing on the fan still works. So I just figured we'll just get the motor and replace it. But I think I have more boxes for the brakes. I think I'm missing something. So I'm gonna pause right here and let me get. So I thought I had unboxed all the boxes that I unboxed, but I had a couple more boxes here. Honestly, I don't even know what's in them, but I know that I'm missing something for this complete brake system upgrade for the Blue STI. But before then, I had ordered this from, I think it was Grimmspeed. Yeah, possibly Grimmspeed. And they barely sent it to me a couple weeks ago. So I think I had this had been on hold for a while, but I wanted to unwrap this or unbox this myself here. Let's see. Oh, more stickers. And we have a boatload of stickers.
Oh, nice.
Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. So you can see us wearing a different shirt on the channel now because I'm sure we're probably wearing the same 4 shirts or something.
4 shirts?
Forester shirts? All right, you ready for the back?
Bam.
Oh.
Hey, that was pretty cool.
I think it took like a month for them to ship it out or something.
Is that handmade, each stitch by stitch?
Stitch by stitch, print by print. So yeah, I wanted to do this because it's pretty cool. I've been wanting to open it for a while, but I waited so that we can do it here on a no-winning. Okay, moving on. I don't know what's in these boxes. I'm sure one of these are yours. I don't think both of them are mine, but
comment below.
I'll unbox it for you. Don't worry. Don't you worry.
That's probably gonna be mine.
Okay.
That's funny.
It feels
heavy. Where dreams are made of.
All right, I don't know what it is, but let's figure it out.
All right.
1, 2, 3, and guess what? It is yours.
Oh man. Okay.
Sheet.
What is it?
It is Mishimoto 15 Plus Forester in a Baloo. I don't know if you can see me in the sun a little bit.
I got super bright. Yeah, I know.
Well, this is yours.
Yay! Thanks for unboxing it.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Your gift has been granted. Your gift has been granted. Okay, this one for sure is mine, and I knew that one was not mine. So
Chihuahuas.
This one was not mine. So
what is this? Somebody there?
Yeah.
Oh.
More paper. All right, so here we go. This is a power
What?
bleeding kit. I bought all the bleeding kits for the brakes so we wouldn't have to struggle. So here's one.
Oh, okay, nice.
I guess one person brake bleeding. I don't know. How about two of them? So we can do two sides at the same time. I don't know. I don't even know how to use this stuff. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
I got this brake line stainless steel.
Nice.
And then I have
What's that?
a power bleeder.
Dang. Just in time for Halloween.
Okay, well, this was a box of goodies, or multiple boxes of goodies that we had. It's probably gonna get installed. I don't know if everything goes well when we take out the engine on this one and what we have planned for this. This will probably go on in a couple of weeks, but we kind of just wanted to show you that we've had these parts, we've been ready to put them on, but as you can tell, we can't ever seem to get a win. So, and when we get a loss, it's like a massive loss. This is so far back that all of our original plans kind of get sidetracked for a little while. So right now, my number one concern is to get the engine out, figure out what we need to do to replace that bell housing, take out the we'll probably drop the transmission, take out the bell housing, put everything back on, and then possibly work on this. And maybe in between we'll work on it, or maybe before, maybe after. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we have the stuff. We just need the time. Hopefully you liked all the stuff we're gonna put on. Hopefully you continue following us. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hook us up. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.